Questions for Barbosa. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
In the past year, one challenging experience I had overcome was the encountering difficult academic subjects. At first, I struggled and felt discouraged. I made a study plan and asked for help with discipline and effort. I'm improved. I learned that hard work and perseverance lead to success. Thomas, what is challenging experience I have encountered in the past year?
Maintaining a positive attitude despite setbacks and focusing on learning from mistakes. Barbosa, what did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned that I can manage challenge if I study discipline. I stay disciplined. I realize I'm capable of improving myself through effort and planning. Almost what did I learn about my during that time?
My ability to remain calm, focused under pressure even when facing significant setbacks. Barbosa, what are the current sources of stress in your life?
Problems at school such as deadline of activity and also financial instability. Almost what are the current source of stress in your life?
Pressure to prove myself after the project failure. Barbosa, what are the current sources stress in your life?
Problem at school such as deadline of activity and also financial instability. Almost what are the current source of stress in your life?
Pressure to prove myself after the project failure. Number 5 questions. Barbosa, what support or strategies might you help cope better?
I handle stress by planning my time, stay disciplined, and practicing mindfulness. Almost, what support or strategy might help you cope better?
Practicing mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. That's all. Thank you.